Hello and welcome. This is Muddassir Afraz from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will create Mumty on the top of this. Okay, so let's get started. First I will just go here in layer panel and I will just create new layer from here. So I will just give it a name as 3D Mumty. Okay, then I will just make it as a current layer. After that I will change the color from here and I can choose any of the color from here. I will choose this one for example and I will press OK. Then I will go again here and I will just change the view from here as top view, and I can change the visual styles as well from realistic view to 2D wireframe. Okay, so I will click here. Now I will just put here a rectangle for reference. Okay, this is the area where we will just create a Mumty. So I will just take a command for rectangle and I will just give this point as first and this as the second point. Okay, this is the reference. I will click here. Now I will move from here. I will just take a move command and I will move it here. Now let me check the Mumty here on this Mumty plan. As you can see here, you can see some walls here in the door as well. So let me check the width of the wall here. So here the width of this wall is 112.50 millimeter, as this wall and this wall, and this is the regular wall as 225 millimeters. So we will just create here walls as well. For that I will just take offset command 125 millimeter. As before that I have to just explode this one. I will just explode to create a walls. Then I will just take a offset command and 112.5 as these walls thickness. So this wall, and this wall as well. And the thickness of this wall is 225. So again I will take a offset 225. I will hit enter. Then I will just give this wall. Now I have to just create a corner for these walls. So for that I will just use fillet command F. I will hit enter. Now I will choose this line and this line as well for creating corners. This and this and this and this and this one as well. Okay, now the next thing we have to join this for extrusion. Before that I will just create here a door and I will just create a location for the door. You can see here the offset here from this position to this position is, let me check, 56.25. so let me just create here a line and I will just give it offset as a 56.25. I will hit enter and then let me check the width of the doors here. So maybe the width here is 750 millimeter. Let me check it. Okay, 750, and I will go here and I will just give it as a width of 750. I will hit enter. Then I will give this point for first and second. Now the next step here will be I have to just extrude this one. For that I have to join this one. Okay, first I will just join this one with join key. Okay, join command, and I will select all of the lines that I want to join. So I will hit enter. Now you can see it is single profile. Now I will just join these as well. So I will take join command, this one, this one, this one, and I will just select this one. I will hit enter. Now you can see it is going to join. So let me just change the view from here. I will just go here in southwest isometric. Before that, let me check the height of the Mumty from here. So I will just take TL command, and the height from this position to this position here is, let me check it, as 2400 millimeter. Okay, so this is 2400 millimeter. So I will just go here in southwest isometric view and I will just extrude this one. I will just go here in extrude and I will select this and this one as well. I will hit enter. Now I will just give a value of 2400. I will hit enter. Now you can see in realistic view that this is a box, so we have to just subtract this one. So I will go here in subtract command. I will hit enter. This profile I have to select, then I will just enter again. Then I will just select inner corner, this one. Okay, I will enter and you can see here it is going to subtract. Now we have to just create a door as well. So for that I will just go in realistic to 2D wireframe and I will create a door with box command. I will go here in box command. I will just give this point as first point and this as second. For height I will just give 2100, as door height is 2100 millimeter. Let me just subtract this as well. So I will just again enter a subtract command. I will select this one, enter, then select this one. Sorry, I will select this one. Okay, I will hit enter, then this one I will hit enter. Now it is going to subtract. Let me check in realistic view. Now you can see it is going to create it. Now the next step here will be we have to just create slab as well over it. So I will just change a layer from here. I will just select a slab layer as a current layer, and I will just go here in 2D wireframe and let me just create a profile for slab. I will just enter a command for rectangle. Okay, and I will just give first point, then second point. Let me extrude this profile, ext. I will hit enter, and the thickness of slab is 100 millimeters, so I will hit enter. Now you can see here it is going to create it. Now the next step, we have to just create a door frame and door as well. So I am not just going to create this one. You have to create by your own self, as I have just give you the procedure that how you can just create door frame and door panel as well. So the next thing, we will just move this from this position to this position, okay, on the top of this. For that I will just go into the wireframe, and I will just mention here, okay, this line. To move this, I will just copy this from here. Okay, I will just enter a copy command, and let me just pick from here, okay, from this point, and I will just paste over it here, okay, on this position. Okay, and you can see it is going to copy here. Let me just change the view to realistic view, and this is done from here, you can see. And I can just rotate this one, I can orbit this one. Now you can see it is okay right now. Okay, the next step here will be we have to just create a parapet wall over it. Okay, and we will create parapet. I hope you understand this session. I will see you in the next.